Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're at the, what is this show called?
Not sure.
Spot.
It's
The Tranum Auto.com. Tranum Auto in Temple. It's a fun little get together. It's all our friends basically, all the little local people.
Just a tiny little show.
See, we got the Smiths are here. We got Alma and half her collection is here, and some other stuff. We got Dallas Land up here with his bus. So we'll do a little walk around. We're gonna check out some sweet cars. We got this chopped hot rod kind of thing going on. We're gonna put that in there. Talk to a couple people and have a good day. There, tell me the pine cone story.
The pine cone was in it when we pulled it out of the woods, and we got it here from Georgia, and it stayed, so it's staying forever.
Staying forever.
Yep.
The pine cone in the bunker. It's the oldest trick in the book.
It has horsepower.
Okay, so we're done with the show, and I think we're gonna go find something to eat with Bea and Tony Baloney.
Let's go.
We're gonna go get something to eat and refreshments, because it's like 114 out here.
No, it's like 105.
It's 105, but then there's the wind chill. Am I ruining your experience?
No.
So you know that.
All right, there, a beer and a burger and a show.
And then an hour drive home.
Oh, it's gonna be more than an hour, buddy, and it's hot. That's okay, we got Gatorade.
Yeah, it's like 120.
Yeah, good thing you put the top up. So there's our cars. We had a good time, and so what do we get? We get a shirt at the Teespring, and we check out all the friends and all the places. And we hit
oldfolkstv.com
oldfolkstv.com
for all the links.
for all the links. And wait, what else? There was another thing. Can't think of it right now.
Can't remember.
Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Give us a like, give us a comment, share it. And
Thanks for watching.